This little car just hums right along. I'm sitting here doing 60 mile an hour just effortlessly. The car drives wonderful. And as you can see, the steering wheel is about as straight as they get. I don't know what kind of mileage I'm getting. It's using a little bit of oil, but not bad. Most of it's a leak. But I've been asked what the deal is with Volkswagens. And unless you own one, or you've driven one, and you've gotten bitten by the bug, you just don't understand. I've had people follow me to take pictures. Everywhere I go, somebody's got a story. If somebody they knew, or they had one, or dad and mom had one. And I've never met somebody who owns a Volkswagen that was a flaming asshole. It's just, you're almost like you're a biker, you're part of a brotherhood, and there's such an unusual little car, all the noises in the back, and they are noisy as hell, but that's part of the charm, and it's just a basic driving experience. No power brakes, no power steering, little if any heat. But now this car drives like a dream, and I'm not having any problems holding speed limit on hills and curves. And it probably won't run 120 mile an hour, but I don't care about that. This car will maintain 60, 65 all day long, and it will literally take me anywhere I want to go. So, unless you own one, or unless you've been bitten by the bug, there's no way to describe the why. It just is.